Imagine your wealth multiplying, not just by 2 or 3 times, but potentially by 10, 20, or even more. Welcome to the world of multi-bagger stocks. These are not your average stocks. Multi-bagger stocks are high-growth investments that have the potential to return many times their original value. They are the rising stars of the stock market, the ones that can turn a modest investment into a substantial fortune. But just like all stars, they come with their own set of risks. Multi-bagger stocks are not for the faint-hearted. They require patience, a keen eye for potential, and a willingness to ride the waves of market volatility. But for those who are able to spot them early and hold on to them, the rewards can be truly life-changing. Multi-bagger stocks are not just stocks, they are your ticket to financial freedom if you know how to find them. So, what makes a stock a multi-bagger? It's all about the potential for exponential growth. Now, there are several factors that can make a stock a multi-bagger. First, a strong business model is key. The company needs to have a unique, sustainable advantage that sets it apart from its competitors. Next, robust financials are crucial. A company with a healthy balance sheet and consistent revenue growth is more likely to see its stock price multiply over time. Moreover, a capable management team that can navigate challenges and seize opportunities is invaluable. They are the ones who steer the ship, and their decisions can significantly impact the company's growth trajectory. And let's not forget the role of market conditions. Factors like economic trends and industry growth can drive a company's stock price up. Finally, the company's potential to scale and disrupt the market is a big factor. Remember, identifying a multi-bagger is not just about numbers, but understanding the company's potential to disrupt the market and create long-lasting value. Now, let's unlock the secret to finding multi-bagger stocks. The search for these gems begins with identifying certain key indicators. Look for companies that have a high return on equity. This denotes efficient management of shareholder funds. A low debt-to-equity ratio is another good sign, as it suggests the company isn't over-reliant on borrowed money. Next, strong earnings growth is a must. This shows the business is not just surviving, but thriving. However, don't be fooled by short-term spikes. Focus on consistent growth over a longer period. Remember, finding a potential multi-bagger is just the first step. Your research needs to be thorough, and your patience unwavering. You might have to weather some storms, but hold on to your chosen stocks with conviction. In the quest for multi-baggers, it's not just about finding the right stock, but also holding on to it with conviction. After all, wealth creation is a journey, not a destination.